Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: a production department in a process manufacturing system completed its work on 80,000 units of product and transferred them to the next department. During a recent period of these units, 24,000 were in process at the beginning of the period. The other 56,000 units were started and completed during the period. At period end, 16,000 units were in process. Compute the production department's equivalent units of production for direct materials under each of three separate assumptions using the weighted average method. First, all direct materials are added product when processing begins. Beginning inventory is 40% complete as to materials and conversion costs. Ending inventory 75% complete as to materials and conversion costs. Third, beginning inventory is 60% complete as to material and 40% complete as to conversion cost. Ending inventory is 30% complete to materials and 60% complete as to conversion cost. And the answer of the question is: calculate the equivalent unit of production separately for each assumption. First, all direct materials are added to product when processing begins. Equivalent units of production is equal to unit completed and transferred out plus equivalent unit is ending work in process. Units completed and transferred out is equal to 56,000 units. Equivalent units in ending work in process 16,000 units. Equivalent units of production is equal to 56,000 plus 16,000 is equal to 72,000 units. Second, beginning inventory is 40% complete as to materials and conversion costs. Ending inventory is 75% complete as to materials and conversion costs. Equivalent units of production of materials units started and completed during the period 56,000 units. Equivalent units in ending work in process 16,000 units multiplied by 75% is equal to 12,000 units. Equivalent units in beginning work in process 24,000 units multiplied by 40% is equal to 9,600 units. Total equivalent units of production of materials is equal to 56,000 plus 12,000 is equal plus 9,600 is equal to 77,600 units. Third, beginning inventory is 60% complete as to material and 40% complete as to conversion costs. Ending inventory is 30% complete as to material and 60% complete as to conversion costs. Equivalent units of production of materials units started and completed during the period is equal to 56,000 units. Equivalent units in ending work in process is equal to 16,000 units multiplied by 30% is equal to 4,800 units. Equivalent units in beginning work in process is equal to 24,000 units multiplied by 60% is equal to 14,400 units. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.